Start. Good evening, my name is PG Mandata. Now I am going to give a short demo on surface area and volume. First of all, before going to deep to the surface area and volume, let us discuss first what is meant by area and what is meant by volume, and which type of objects, which type of shapes, both volume and area will be there. Surface area means the area which covers the inside part. Inside part of the polygon figure. Area, it will come both in two-dimensional figure and three-dimensional figure. Two-dimensional figure means here two-dimensional figure, it is having two-dimensional figure means it is having only length and breadth. Length and breadth. While coming to 3D figures, it is having three dimensions. It is with three dimensions: length, breadth, and one more thing, height. We can find the area for two-dimensional figure and three-dimensional figure. While coming to volume, it is the space enclosed by the polygon figure. Space enclosed by polygon figure. Here first, instead of going with polygon figure, what is meant by polygon? It is a polygon means it is the shape made by using line segments. Either it may be two-dimensional figure or three-dimensional figure. If we go with two-dimensional figure, there will be length and breadth. While coming to three-dimensional figure, it is having three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Here now I am going to explain surface area and volume. I am going to explain this surface area and volume, the formulas of surface area of cube. I am explaining regarding cube. It is having dimensions, shape, lateral surface area, total surface area, volume, and diagonal length. Here, today I am going to explain you how to write formulas for cube and cuboid. Why I am taking only cube and cuboid means these two are the basic shapes, basic 3D figures to come across lateral surface area, total surface area, volume and diagonal length. Here, before going to give, everyone have you seen cube, how it will be? The shape of the cube will be, it's just like one box. We can take example as dice. Dice, it has all sides will be equal. Say cube is equals to the square. For square also all sides will be equal. And dimension will be only side A. While coming to lateral surface area means here it depends upon the top and bottom of the figure. If we take any cube, or else I am going with this cuboid and cylinder. Here cylinder is a curved surface. While coming to cuboid, it is one lateral surface area. Here the total surface area is with curved surface. While coming to this cuboid, it is having total 4 sides. Lateral surface means here by leaving this top and bottom, we are having how many sides? For coming to cube, While coming to cube, cube is having 8 sides. Top, bottom, side, right side and left side, front and back view. By living thus, if you open that cube, it will be having four sides. Have you seen net figure of cube? 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be front, this will be back, this will be either right side or left side. By coming to up here, this will be top and bottom. But now while going to lateral surface area, we will consider only 4 sides of the cube by leaving the top and bottom. Here, what is the surface area of, this is one cube, this is another cube, this is another cube, this is another, this is one square, another square, there are 4 squares are there. What is the area of square? Area of square is a square. And this area of square is a square. For this, a square. And this is also a square. Here how many a squares are there? By leaving at top bottom, we are getting a square plus a square plus a square plus a square. Because this is front, this is left, this is right, and this is back side. All are looking like squares only. So I am taking area of square. Area of square is A into A. Area of square is A into A, that is equals to A square. Why we are taking A into A means while coming to area of square, we are having side A. All sides are equal, so I am taking side as A. Here I can take A or any other alphabet. I am going with A. A into A is A square. Here 1 A square, 2, 3, 4. Then lateral surface area of cube is equals to 4A square. We are getting 4A square as lateral surface area by leaving top and bottom. And all sides are the same as square. The area of square is A into A square, that is equals to. So I am taking A square, A square, A square and A square. A square plus A square plus A square plus A square, that is equals to 4A square. While coming to total surface area, here we are talking about the total. Total surface area means that we need to consider top and bottom. So, lateral surface area plus total top plus bottom. Lateral surface area is with 4A square plus top, it will be like same square only. So I am taking 1A square and bottom is also like square only. So 4A square plus A square is 5A square, 5A square plus A square is 6A square. Total surface area is equals to 6A square. And while coming to volume is nothing but the space diagonal length. While coming to cuboid shape, it will be like one matchbox. Have you seen everyone matchbox? It is nothing but duster. Duster is also one cuboid. Here how many sides are there for this cuboid? There are 6 sides. Top, bottom, front, back, right side and left side. Clear? And it is having dimensions, 3 dimensions. It is a 3D figure. 3 dimensions means one is with length, N, another one is breadth, B, and another one is height, H-I-G-H-T, height, H. It is having 3 dimensions. This will be length, this will be breadth, and this will be height. If you observe this, we can tell that this looks like cuboid, rectangle, and this is like square. Means while coming to lateral surface area, if I open this cuboid, any box with cuboid shape, if I open, we can see the net diagram. It will be like one square, one rectangle, and another square, another rectangle. Lateral surface area means we need to leave top and bottom. Here area. Area means it will be with length and height. Length and height. While coming to length and breadth. Square, rectangle, square and rectangle. It is with height and breadth. While coming to rectangle, it is with length and height. While coming to square, here we can see this square. Here we can see this square. This is height and this is breadth. Here I am taking breadth and here I am taking height. While coming to this rectangle, this is length and this is height. I am taking length and height. Again breadth and height, length and height. Now if we add this BH plus LH plus BH plus LH, we are having 2 BH, 2 breadth plus 2 height. So 2 BH plus 2 LH. We can take common 2 into B plus L into H, because here H is also common. So I am taking 2 into B plus L into H, or we can write it as 2H into breadth plus length or length plus breadth. This is the lateral surface area. Here, while coming to lateral surface area, by removing this top and bottom, we are having one rectangle, one square, one rectangle, one square. Here I am taking that. If I open this, we can see the net diagram. Square, rectangle, square and rectangle. Here it is with breadth, height, length, height, breadth, height, length, height. How can we tell it is breadth? It is directly by seeing this cuboid diagram, it is breadth. This is one square, this is breadth. So I am taking it as breadth. And it is height. Already I mentioned here. So I am taking it as height. While coming to rectangle, this is the length and this is the height. By adding this breadth height plus length height plus breadth height plus length height. Taking 2 as common, because we are having 2 BH and 2 LH. Taking 2 as common, I am getting B plus L. Again I am taking H as a common, H. 2H into B plus L. While coming to total surface area, totally what the sides are there in this cuboid, we need to consider total. Here we are having 1, 2 squares and 2 rectangles. Now lateral surface area plus top plus bottom. Top means it will be the top. This is breadth, this is length. Here this is breadth and this is length and this is the breadth. Means lateral surface area is with 2H into L plus B plus length, breadth and length plus length and breadth. 2H into L plus B. Here it is also with 2 length breadth. So I am getting 2 length plus breadth. Now we can take separately 2HL plus 2HB plus 2LB. By taking 2 as common, HL plus HB plus L. This is the total surface area of cuboid. Again, while coming to volume. Volume is the total space occupied enclosed by the cube inside the space. Volume is called the base area into height. Base area into height. What is the base area for into breadth into height. LBH is the volume of the cuboid. Again, while coming to diagonal length of cuboid, it is with formula root L square plus B square plus H square. This is the diagonal length of the cuboid. Means from this point to this point. These 2 points, the diagonal length means from this diagonal to this diagonal, the formula will be root of L square plus B square plus H square. Here, as I told, I will explain how to write formulas for, how to frame formulas for cube and cuboid, lateral surface area, total surface area, volume and diagonal length. Here, by using the shape and by using the sides dimensions, I just frame the formulas. So in this way, if you frame formulas for cylinder, sphere and another shapes which are having 3D, it is easy to solve the problems without by having the formulas. This is my class. Thank you so much.